Fellas, in most situations, communication is the key factor to success, but the most important kind is nonverbal. In today's video, we're talking about body language. What's up guys, I'm Ryan Palmer. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't ever miss a video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 body language tricks that will instantly boost your confidence, gain your respect, and show more power. These tips will make you walk into a room and everyone will instantly have more respect for you. They show confidence and will help you in any situation. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, the first thing. I see so many tips online about this, but I still see so many people doing it wrong. It's shaking hands. The easiest thing you can work on. Shaking hands. People underestimate the power of a good handshake. I see so many people walking around and just like, what kind of handshake is that? If I go to shake your hand and your hand is limp and soft, nobody's gonna like you. I don't respect you, no one else does, so fix it. Do you really want to be disrespected because of your hand? Come on, just fix it. It's not that hard. Imagine it like this. Shaking hands is like arm wrestling for gentlemen. Just approach every hand like you're gonna win. Be affirmative, strong. Tighten your muscles up, show that you have some, and be strong. Make sure the other person knows that they should respect you. It's that simple, fellas. Number 2, eye contact. Now, eye contact comes into play in a lot of different situations and scenarios. For example, if you're talking to someone, give them proper eye contact. You don't have to stare at them the whole time, but don't be looking away, making it seem like you're interested in something else. Don't be glancing around the room, acting like you're scared and that you think something's out to get you. Just give them proper eye contact. It shows them that you're listening to them, and it makes them respect you because it looks like you care. And in different situations, if you want to look at something, look at it. Who cares? Don't be scared and try to avoid eye contact. If you see a pretty girl across the room and you want to look at her, look at her. If she catches you, what looks worse? You holding it for a second, casually looking away, or if she sees you and you go, come on fellas. Showing eye contact and not being afraid of it shows power. If you hold it for a second, it shows them that you don't care that they saw you. You're happy they saw you. So never be afraid of using eye contact to show power. Number 3, use your hands. Talk with your hands. Just use your hands for something. Holding your hands in your pocket or behind your back. That makes it seem like you're closed off, you aren't confident, and you have something to hide or that you're scared. Just stand tall, shoulders wide, just talk with your hands, you know? Talking with your hands also makes you seem more friendly. It's like you're more involved in what you're saying and you actually care about having the conversations. So using your hands shows that you're enthusiastic, it makes you look nicer, happier, and just makes you more confident overall. Number 4, slow everything down. And I don't mean to pretend you're in slow motion when you're walking or anything. All I mean is take a deep breath, relax, slow down your thinking, your breathing, your talking, your walking. Slow everything that you're doing down. Keep a calm demeanor. If you're fidgety and anxious and worried, no one's gonna respect you. You look weak. So just try to keep a calm demeanor, take a deep breath, and relax, because this makes you seem like you have no worries, no stresses, and that you have everything under control. And this, fellas, will command respect. So just take a deep breath and relax. And number 5, stand your ground. If you're standing somewhere, stand tall, shoulders wide, do jumping jacks for all I care. Make sure that everyone knows that the spot you're standing in is your spot and that you deserve to be comfortable. So just be comfortable, be open, don't be closed off. That looks stupid. It looks stupid. Stop doing that. Stay open, stay free. Give your body as much room as you want. If you're sitting down, man spread. It is okay. It's powerful. If people tell you not to, ignore them. Who cares? Because when's the last time you saw someone doing this and you thought, man, I want to be like that guy. I bet he gets respected. Never, because it never happens. Your body deserves the freedom, the space, the area that you think it deserves. So just be open, be free, and make sure that you're giving your body enough room. Stand your ground, fellas. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 5 body language tricks that will command respect. Make sure you try these out because they will make people respect you more, think you're nicer, more fun to talk to. They'll just like you more overall. So make sure you try these out. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Let me know if you have any tricks of your own, and I might try them out and do a video on those someday. If you found this video helpful, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And guys, go and check out my Instagram at I'm Ryan Palmer. Give it a follow. Check out a few of my posts on there. I'm sure you'd like them. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time.